Okay, so in this lecture we are going to learn a few things about golang and how it works. So Go has certain environment variables that it uses for different purposes. For example, to find out where your project is located, or to find the Go libraries or Go standard libraries. So in order to find which Go environment variables are present, we can write Go in env or environment, and you will see that it will print out a lot of options. So this is a bit too much, so there are only a few environments that we are going to study or use. So the first environment that we are going to focus on is called Go path. So there it is. So Go path refers to the root path of your workspace. Workspace refers to the places that you will create your projects. So you can see that it is stored in home /Kali/Go. So if you go to the Kali home, you will see that there is no Go folder here. So your first step would be to create this Go folder here. So once you have created this Go folder, you have to create these 3 folders inside it. So this is a standard Go convention that is followed in Go community. So in Go workspace or Go path, we create 3 further folders, and one is called bin or binary, and this contains all your binaries for once you create these projects. So we will study what are binaries later. And then there is a folder called package, and this contains all the compiled binaries. So once you use some packages which are, for example, third-party packages or something like that, these will be stored in this. So don't worry if you don't understand everything. So if you are familiar with Go, you will be familiar with all these notations. And then there is a folder called source. So inside this source folder, we will create or we will code our projects inside this source folder. So go inside this source folder and create a new folder called Goland hacking. In this folder, we will create all our projects from now on. So go ahead and create all these folders, and once you have done it, you will work in these. So the next thing is Go root. So where is Go root? Okay, so Go root is the environment variable that tells the Kali machine to find where our Go is located. In our previous section, you learned that we copied our extracted archive into this directory, which is user/go. So if you have installed everything correctly, your Go root will work properly. If it's not, you have installed Go somewhere else, you have to modify this Go root variable to point to where you extracted this Golang archive. Okay, and then there is other variables, for example Go exe and some other. So we will study these variables later, but for the moment we just need to focus on these 2 variables, Go path and Go root. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to stop here.